Graphic new details just unveiled in the murder of a Hopewell cab driver. Navy veteran James Wells was abducted, repeatedly stabbed, then set on fire alive.
Prosecutors say the suspects in this case hired Wells to drive them to Hanover, which was where he was found dead in a burned up cab.
Wells' parents hearing those horrific descriptions for the first time in a Hanover courtroom.
They described those moments to 8 News reporter Claudia Rupcich.
It was like that day all over again, except worse.
For the first time since their son's brutal murder, Mauler Burton and David Wells heard the gruesome details about his death. 26-year-old James Wells, a cab driver, was stabbed multiple times, set on fire, left to die.
I couldn't believe that a human could do that to someone else.
19-year-old Alyssa De Jesus and 21-year-old Dyshawn Simpson are charged with first-degree murder. In the early morning hours of August 9th, police say the pair hired Wells to drive them to Hanover. Simpson tells police he panicked over not having money for the fare and stabbed Wells. His girlfriend, 7 months pregnant, drove the taxi as Wells moaned in pain, barely conscious. Simpson then used a road flare to set Wells on fire.
To hear them say that he was still talking or trying to communicate and they put the flare on him and burned him alive, knowing that was the last moment your son lived. That's the hard part.
Wells was a member of the 2003 Hopewell High School state champion football team. He was trying to make money for him and his wife, hoping to have a child.
He would have been a wonderful father. He was a special person. I just don't want people to ever forget that.
The prosecutor hopes these horrifying details could serve as the basis for capital murder charges.
If it would prevent some other family from going through something like this,
I feel that would be justice. There was no remorse.